Hi you guys. So today I'm going to make a video about the new limited edition community body sprays that Lush has just released. And as you can see, I don't have my regular microphone that I pin on my shirt because it's not working. Lush North America and Lush UK have asked us what kinds of Lush product scents would we like them to make body sprays out of. They do this, maybe every year, every couple of years or so. And so these are the ones that won this vote. And I know you can't see them. I'm going to hold them up in a minute. So, and I'm just going to tell you what I think of them, okay? Now, just FYI, this time around, they had these two. So they had 6 in total, 6 body sprays. 2 of them I already had. They'd already did a community body spray release a year or 2 ago. And these were 2 of the 6 that they did at that time. So I didn't buy them again, of course. Like this one's empty, but this one still has some. So I can still review them for you. Okay, so this scent is made with orange oil, bushu oil, litsi kubiba oil, and frankincense, and champaka absolute. It does smell like peaches to me. So this is nice. When I first spray it on my skin, it smells great. It's a medium strong. And as it dries down, it still smells great. And as far as the how long the scent lasts on my skin, this is about average or medium. So multiple sprays are needed with this one. Next is Lemony Flutter. And Lush makes a cuticle cream called Lemony Flutter, and that's the scent. Everyone loves this. Anytime Lush has had a voting, they voted for the Lemony Flutter scent. So Lush has made Lemony Flutter cuticle cream, Lemony Flutter body spray now, and Lemony Flutter body lotion, and Lemony Flutter body conditioner. So I like Lemony Flutter. It's just very lemony. It's made with Sicilian lemon oil and blue chamomile oil and lavender oil. So it's herby and citrusy with lemon. And when I spray it, it's very lemony. It's not a sweet lemony like the Lush 2543 perfume or the Lush Hairdresser's Husband perfume. It doesn't have that sort of like yummy sweet lemon icing kind of this is less sweet and more like pure lemony scent. Now when I spray it, it smells great. It's medium strong. As it dries down, and the scent of this on my skin, because all of our skin chemistry is different, right? But on me, the scent goes away very quickly. I would say maybe 30 minutes. So that's my experience with it. Okay, next is Space Girl. Now, this comes from a bath bomb that Lush used to sell in all of the stores called Space Girl. It's made with grapefruit, bergamot, and black currant and almond essential oil. So it smells fruity and sort of berryish. So citrusy and kind of berryish from the black currant. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I have on my lushalot.com website a picture of all of the Lush products with this scent. It's a scent family picture like I've been making for the last 20 years. And that one has all of the products. Since I made that scent family picture, Lush has released 2 or 3 more products in that same scent, but they're all there on that website under Space Girl. So I really, really like this scent. It's different. It's yummy smelling. It's pretty smelling. It's nice and strong, and it does have a nice throw, and the scent stays on my skin for a couple of hours before I have to spray again. So I really like Space Girl. Okay, next is Sticky Dates body spray. Now I have a page on my lushalot.com website with all of the Lush Sticky Dates products that I bought, including the body spray and what I think of them. Now, I am absolutely in love with the Lush Sticky Dates shower gel. That was the first product in that scent to be released during the holidays a couple of years ago. And since then, Lush has released 3 or 4 other products with this scent, Sticky Date scent, that were just limited edition, just for a short time. So of all of those Sticky Dates scented products, the body spray is actually my least favorite, as I discuss on that one video. I uploaded that here to YouTube about, I don't know, maybe 6 months ago. So just look up Sticky Dates. Just search Sticky Dates on my channel. And so this one, when I spray it on myself, it smells absolutely delicious. And as it dries down, it doesn't really stay the same scent as it dries down on my skin. It's not the best or strongest Sticky Dates scent of the products that they've made with the scent. So it's okay. I don't hate it, but I wouldn't, if I knew what I knew now, I probably wouldn't buy this one. And that I was kind of disappointed because, like I say, I love this scent, right? So, all right, that's Sticky Dates, and then we have 2 more. Next is Grape Soda and Passion. Now, let me tell you a little bit about me and grape. So, everyone who knows me, my family, friends know that I hate grape. I like grapes, though. I love grapes. So isn't that odd? I love grapes, but I hate that sort of grape flavoring scent. Like, it reminds me of cough medicine, because when I was young, I had a lot of lung issues, and my mom, would tell the pharmacy to put some grape flavoring in my cough medicine. Ugh. It's awful. It was so awful. And that's what I think of. I can't help it whenever there's grape candy around or whatever. So my daughter, on the other hand, loves grape. And when she found out there was going to be a grape soda body spray, she began the begging process. Please buy one. Please buy one. So I did. And she absolutely loves it. And just for fun, because I have to review it properly, I sprayed some on as well, on myself. First of all, this is made with juniper berry oil and sweet orange oil. When I sprayed this on myself, and it's medium strong, I can still smell it, and that was about 3 hours ago. So the staying power is pretty good on my skin. The throw is average. I forgot to say, the throw on this is very minimal. The throw on this is really good. Throw on this is really good. And this is about a little bit average, okay? I think people that like grape things will love this. This was made after the original product was a shower jelly, and I believe it was for Valentine's Day, or maybe it was for Halloween. I can't remember. It was called Vampire Kisses, and that's what this scent is. People loved it, so they wanted Lush to make this one, and so they did. So I would guess that this is going to be really popular with all y'all. And then last, remember Valentine's, they made a shower gel called Passion. Right? They've made 2 shower gels with the word passion in it. One of them was for Valentine's Day, and it's just called Passion, like this. And the other one was called Passion Fruit, and it was different, and it was more in this scent. And that was in a Lush Kitchen subscription box. So Passion smells, let me read. Passion has lime oil, orange oil, and Litsea cubiba oil. It says, a scent to obsess over. This luxurious fragrance is seriously creamy and dripping with sweet, fruity notes to get your juices flowing. So, this smells so good. It changes after it starts drying down. It changes, and I don't really like the smell of it as it dries down. But then, when it's dried totally, I like it. It's very lightly sweet, and it smells fruity, but sort of somewhat floral. It's kind of pretty, but sort of sexy and kind of yummy all at the same time. So I like the scent when I first spray it on. I like the scent when it dries down all the way, but that in-between time. All right, so as far as like throw, I would say it's above average throw. I would say that as far as the strength of it and the scent lasting on my skin, I would say it's average. And yeah, so now let me show you what my favorites are. I would say my favorites of the bunch, Peaches, Passion, and Space Girl. All right, these are my favorites of the bunch. But I'm pretty sure that y'all this is going to be really, really good to you. So that you would probably rate this the highest. Trying to decide, you should decide between these 4. All right? And unless you like really, really, really like a lemon, and then you should get this one. That is the Lush X Community Body Sprays, in my opinion. If you guys don't know, the Christmas products and the Halloween products are going to be released, I believe it's September 26th and 29th. One of them will be going up the 26th, one of them on the 29th. And I have those products listed on my lushalot.com website. So I think that's it. I should be also getting the Lush Kitchen box for the month of September here pretty soon. So if you guys have any questions regarding these, just let me know, and I will try to answer as best I can. And thanks so much for watching again, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video. Bye-bye.